Artificial intelligence, AI, at its core, is a system that mimics human cognitive functions such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. Imagine AI as a very smart robot that can do things that usually require human intelligence. The journey of AI begins with data, vast and varied information. Data can be anything from numbers, text, and images to sounds that is fed into a computer. The way AI learns is somewhat similar to how we teach young children. It learns from examples and experiences. AI systems often use algorithms, which are sets of rules or instructions, to process this data. These algorithms allow AI to recognize patterns, make decisions, or predictions based on the data provided. For instance, an AI capable of recognizing faces is trained using countless images of faces until it can accurately identify one even in a new image. Machine learning, a subset of AI, empowers systems to improve autonomously without specific programming. The AI is trained on data, which it uses to spot patterns and improves its predictions or decisions over time. If the prediction is wrong, it learns from the mistake and adjusts for future tasks. Think about it like learning a new skill, starting with basics and refining over time as experience is gained. A more advanced branch, known as deep learning, uses neural networks, which are designed to mimic the human brain structure. These networks have layers of nodes, much like neurons, that process information thoroughly and in detail. This allows AI to understand complex issues, like understanding natural language or identifying objects in pictures. AI also uses reinforcement learning, a technique where it learns by trial and error. It receives feedback for its actions, rewards for correct actions, and penalties for incorrect ones, making it progressively better at tasks like playing video games or navigating routes. Furthermore, AI isn't static. Researchers constantly strive to improve its capabilities, seek its ethical implementation, and develop new applications such as personal assistants, self-driving cars, and smart home devices. Each advancement brings AI closer to closely mimicking human thinking and creativity, yet always requires human oversight to align with values and moral decisions.